Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to unhide all rows or columns in Excel. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Excel and here I have a document in which I have hidden several rows and columns. If I want to show them again, I just have to select the surrounding rows. Now I right click and click on Unhide. However, I can do this not only for one area but also for several. If I want to do this for my entire worksheet, I click on the small triangle in the top left, and if I right click now on my rows and go to Unhide, it will show all my rows again. Alternatively, I can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+9. It is important to note that the functions for rows and columns are separate. Since we have already selected our entire worksheet, I can now right click on the columns and select Unhide here as well. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+Shift+0. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.